In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to create a stunning and professional skill bar using the Skill Showcase widget from the Spider Elements plugin in Elementor. This widget allows you to showcase your skills in an eye-catching and interactive way, enhancing the visual appeal and professionalism of your website. Now let's explore how to use this widget effortlessly. Let me know if you need any further refinements. First, open the Elementor editor, locate the Skill Showcase widget, and drag and drop it into the section. You will find the default skill items there. Navigate to the Skill List tab to edit them. Click on Add Item to add a new skill, and you can change the skill name as needed. You can set the size of the skill name to default, small, or big. Here, I have added multiple skill items, creating a visually appealing and well-structured layout. Go to the Style tab and navigate to the Typography option, where you can customize the text to your preference. Additionally, you can change the color of all skills from the color option to match your design.